Hi, I'm Niveda. I'm going to show you how I use PageLoop to create and update our help docs. I'm going to be writing an article about our Jira integration, which is a new integration that we haven't documented yet. Also, our docs are posted on Intercom, just for context, but this works on pretty much every documentation platform. So let's go. Now, I want to create a new article. So I also want to include screenshots. So I'm going to use our Chrome extension. For this purpose, I'll also keep my microphone on, and I'm also getting PageLoop to record all of the tabs because it's an integration article. So at some point I might be redirected, outside of a selected tab. So I want to make sure everything's captured. So once I do this, this comes up. Now let's go ahead and start writing the article. So I come to the integrations, connect, this page. Let's actually take a screenshot here. This page might not show up if your Atlassian account has restrictions on only admins being able to authenticate, integrating with a new product or an app. So if you don't see it, then you want to reach out to your admin. That's context for PageLoop, by the way. So I'm going to go ahead and accept this. So we'll be taken back to PageLoop. All right, yeah. So I also want to make sure that, I can do add PageLoop mentions, in Jira for any issues that are outside of the project that I select, or maybe I want to track the, task even before it's marked as completed. So this will basically let me do that. It's basically something that Atlassian allows. So it's part of their product. So I can go ahead and click on install after I select the site. And once I do that, this usually takes a second, I think. Okay, that's done. So let's go back here. Now, these are the projects that we have on our test account. So I'm going to select one of them, and maybe at this point I take another screenshot. And so here, by the way, I can see all of the steps and the screenshots that have been taken, and then I can click on save config, and yeah, so that's the flow. So now to actually write the article, so you can see it's tracked all of the clicks that I've done, the couple screenshots I've taken. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of context because it has enough context at this point. So I'm going to say Jira integration for proactive suggestions. Users can also add page loop, specific issues, ethics. Yeah, that's so let's go ahead and create the article. This typically takes a minute, so I'm going to pause the recording and come right back and show you what the article looks like. Right, I'm back. Now the article is ready. Let's see. Okay, so title looks good. It's also created a description, which is something Intercom loves. Super AI friendly. Writes a overview, again AI friendly. All of these are written for AI ready articles. And then you have the steps. Okay, looks good. Authorization page. Maybe this note I can make this italics. And by the way, I can also annotate here, which is my favorite. Oh my god, this is something that I've always wanted to, but I don't annotate my screenshots because these are pretty simple. Like there's just one button, so I don't want to annotate this. But if I wanted to, I could draw boxes and stuff like that. So I'm just going to cancel this for now. But you get the point. Then go back to the configure Jira projects. Okay, the Jira app. Right. Okay, so it's also added the final screenshot and it's also added the next steps. This is something that, again, is good practice in terms of making sure that you're linking other related articles to the user, or the AI has continuity to what articles are related to this. So this all looks good. I honestly just made that one edit, which was making this italics, but nothing else really. And this is actually ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and select our collection. So in our case, it's going to be integrations. And I'm going to go ahead and publish the article. So that was it. It took me about 5 minutes, actually, even less. So I can just quickly open this to make sure everything looks good. Right. Okay, perfect. Everything looks good. So we're done. So that's how we write new articles on PageLoop. And yeah, see you on the next one.